Hi, I'm Mark and welcome to another lesson with Master Everyday English. Today we're going to look at the English language that you'll need if there's some kind of problem with your hotel room and you want to make a complaint. Let's look at some of the typical problems that you'll have with your hotel room. Something in the room is dirty. Something doesn't work or something has stopped working. There's something missing from the room. The bed hasn't been made. The people in the room next door are noisy. Your bed has bed bugs. There are insects in the room. Ants, cockroaches. So now we've identified some of the main problems you'll have in a hotel room. Let's look at some of the different ways that you can make a complaint. Now, if you want to make a complaint, but you want to sound polite, there are a few different ways that you can do this. Now, normally you'll use like an introductory sentence. Something like, I hate to complain, but the people in the room next door are very noisy. We're having a bit of a problem. We're having a bit of a problem with the heating. I'm sorry, but I just noticed that the bed in our room hasn't been made. Now, these are all different ways. They're basically the same idea. They're just different, polite ways of starting to make your complaint. Now let's look at some different introductory sentences you can use to start a complaint, but this time these are a little bit stronger. So if you're very upset about something, you could use these sentences to complain with. We need blank immediately. We need someone to come and clean the room immediately. Yeah, I'm very upset. Yeah, I'm very upset because the people in the room next door are very noisy. I'm sorry, but it's just not good enough. I'm sorry, but it's just not good enough that we've paid for the room and the air conditioner doesn't work. Be careful using this kind of language because, of course, it's quite strong, but it's also quite negative. So you can very easily find yourself in an argument or upsetting somebody. Now let's listen to a conversation. In fact, let's listen to two conversations. The conversations are between a guest in the hotel and a person at the front desk or the reception of the hotel. In the first conversation, you'll hear the guest complaining about some things in the room, but complaining politely. In the second conversation, you'll hear the guest is a little bit more upset and they're using stronger language to complain about the room.
Hi there, Mr. Smith. How can I help you?
Yeah, hi there. I hate to complain, but the coffee machine in our room isn't working.
I'm sorry about that. We'll have someone from maintenance come and replace that for you.
Great, thank you.
Is everything else okay with your stay so far?
Well, I'm sorry, but I just noticed that we don't have any hand towels in the bathroom or any soap.
Oh dear, I'm very sorry about that. We are a little short-staffed at the moment. They may have overlooked your room. I will get some towels sent to your room right away.
Okay, apart from that, I think we're good, thank you.
No problem at all, Mr. Smith. If you have any more issues, please don't hesitate to contact the front desk.
If you want to check out some of my other videos, go to my channel, Master Everyday English. There are lots of other videos about life and work in the United States. Now let's listen to the second conversation. The second conversation, the language is much stronger because the guest is upset about the problems in the room.
Hi, Mr. Smith. How can I help you?
It's obvious this room hasn't been cleaned. We need someone to change the linens in the room immediately.
Oh, I'm very sorry, Mr. Smith. That is certainly not the service we normally provide. We'll get a cleaner up immediately to change them for you.
Yeah, to be honest, I'm very upset. Not only are the linens dirty, but there's also hair in the bath
and the fridge doesn't work.
I'm really sorry about that. We'll have someone come and take a look at those problems for you right away.
Yeah, this is just not good enough. I'd like to speak to your manager, please. This is completely unacceptable.
I am truly sorry, Mr. Smith. The manager isn't available right now, but I will make sure he contacts you as soon as possible. In the meantime, I'd like to offer you a new room, an upgrade from the room you have to an ocean view room with a balcony, and we'll also get some food and drink vouchers to you as a way of an apology.
Well, that's a start, I guess. I'm very disappointed with this hotel so far.
I understand, and we'll do our best to rectify the problems for you.
Now let's think about some of the questions you might want to answer before you go and make a complaint at a hotel. Who do I speak with when I want to make a complaint? Well, normally if there's some problem with your hotel room, you need to speak to the front desk or the reception at the hotel. You can also speak to the people at the front desk about escalating a problem. Escalating basically means you're taking it to somebody higher up, probably the manager of the hotel. After I complain, how long should I wait for someone to fix the problem? It kind of depends on the problem. If it's a small problem, let's say you don't have any towels or the coffee machine doesn't work, then you can expect them to fix this pretty quickly, probably within an hour. If there's a bigger problem, let's say for example your air conditioner isn't working, well they may need to call a repair person to come and fix that, so you can expect a longer wait. Now if of course there are bed bugs or insects or something like that in the room, really they should move you automatically to a different room. Of course, if you're staying in a hotel and it has bed bugs, now you might not want to stay in the hotel anyway. When should I complain politely? And when should I use stronger language? So in most cases, you probably want to complain politely. Now, there are a number of reasons why you might use stronger language. Of course, if there's a bigger problem and you're very upset about it. Let's say, for example, the room has bed bugs and cockroaches and all sorts of horrible insects in there. Of course, you may use stronger language. Another reason is really if you've complained politely about the problem, maybe a few times, but the hotel are just not doing anything about it. They don't seem interested. Maybe they're rude to you. Those are all good reasons to use stronger language. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful for you. And don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and click to subscribe.